Welcome to the Plant Farm It YouTube channel. Let's prepare a quick, tasty and fresh lemon pasta in less than 20 minutes, bursting with flavor. I'm using linguine. However, you can use any kind of pasta of your choice. The main ingredients include lemon, garlic, basil, parsley and green chili pepper. Keeping spices simple, just salt and black pepper. For preparing the sauce, I'm using olive oil. For an extra flavor, I'm adding walnuts instead of cheese, but feel free to add mozzarella or parmesan. For the finishing touches, sprinkle lemon zest. Please watch the video until the end to find out about preparation, cooking and serving. Thin chop several cloves of garlic. Mince a half of green chili pepper. Finally grate 2 lemon zest. Squeeze 1 lemon juice. Thin chop of basil. Also a fresh parsley. walnuts for creaminess and nutty flavor, and as an alternative of cheese for vegans. In a big pan, bring the water to boil. Add salt and half of linguine package. For al dente pasta, let it boil for 9 minutes. At the same time, pour 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a cooking pan. Place the garlic in a pot to sauté. Once the garlic is softened, add the walnuts and sauté together until caramelized. Add 1 lemon juice and mix well together. Add the basil, parsley, and lemon zest for an herbal, fresh fragrance. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and 1/4 tablespoon of black pepper for an extra kick. Add pasta water for creaminess. Let it simmer in mid-low temperature. Once pasta cooked, add it in the lemon sauce and mix well together. Serve the pasta well warm in a plate and add the rest of the sauce for decoration. Try this delicious recipe and let us know what you think in the comments. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe and click on the bell button to be notified on similar upcoming videos. Plant Farm Eat is a platform for horticulture and environmental enthusiasts, helping you maximize your time and efforts and providing you with pragmatic guides on how to plant, farm, and eat sustainably.